Good afternoon, everyone. Well, good evening, everyone. It's 6 o'clock. So, I'm on my first solo wild camp. It's been a long time coming, but I'm very excited, kind of nervously excited, but it should be good. So I'm making my way from King's Yard and we're gonna go up over the Galtees to Loch Curragh, where I'm going to pitch up for the night. So it should take maybe 2 hours and we'll see how we get on. I've wild camped a few times now and each time my pack is getting lighter and lighter. All this training is building up for one thing. In August I'm hiking from Killarney to Dingle. Starting at the Old Weir Bridge, 169 kilometers. So the first day is grueling. First day is over Carrantoul and Tommy's Mountain and a few others. But second day will be just as long, 30 kilometers, 36 kilometers, but it's all on road. But anyway, I'll have a lot more about that when the time comes. For now, I'm just going to concentrate on this beautiful night. So we're halfway there. Kind of happy enough with my fitness level anyway. It's one thing I really wanted to test today. That's been a continuous slog uphill now for the last hour, and so I feel good. I feel good, which is the main thing. So we're going to make our way up to Galtee Moor, and then we're going to go slightly off to the right and then down to Lake Curragh, where we're going to set up camp. So what I have experienced so far, I've done a lot of hiking, and it's only this year that I wanted to start getting into wild camping. And the Wild Campers Ireland Facebook page, I joined that. What a brilliant bunch of people. They really, really are. Amazing for advice and everyone out to help everyone. So I'm actually delighted I joined that. So thank you. So all set up for my first solo wild camp. The beautiful Lake Curragh, the Galtee Mountains. Absolutely amazing. So I got my jet boil going. I'm just waiting for my my food to be done. What do I have today? Posh baked beans. That's on the menu tonight. Looking forward to tasting that now. And have a lovely coffee. It's all about keeping busy. These are nice. First time having it. Yeah, it's good. So all settled down. Ate well. Watched an old movie. Saw some beautiful stars. Tired now, so I'm going to hit the hay. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. So peaceful last night. Unbelievable. Just trying to get used to. Took a while to go to sleep, I must admit. Kind of awake at 2 o'clock. Those sheep waking me this morning. If you wake up to views like this, then I'm a lucky man. Look at that. Above the clouds today. Wow. Just anything I learned from my location last night. I was in the shade very early. And I'm still in the shade. So, yeah. And plus there's a beautiful sunset behind this mountain. And I missed that as well. So, some few other things to think about when you're picking a location, but look, I can't complain about this, can I? Absolutely stunning. So I just spotted a little bird. I don't know what it is, but it's freezing, and it was in the lake, so I'm gonna try get it now. The poor guy. Come on, buddy. You poor little thing. Come on, let's go. Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's alright. Relax, 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 relax. Let's get you into the sunlight. And maybe get you some food. Maybe I can get out of this lake without falling into it. You're okay. You're out of the lake. See if you can get flying now. See if you can get flying. This will keep you warm, won't it? Let's go up and get you some food. So, this poor little guy, let's see if we can, he feels warm enough. He was shaking a while ago, but hopefully we can get him back. I have some food here, so I'm just going to leave him down. I'll leave him down and see if he can do anything himself. Okay, buddy, here we go. Oh. That's lovely. Hey! Happy ending. There he is. Fantastic. What a result. I'm glad he didn't go to the toilet on my handout as well. But what a result. I'm so happy with that. I feel good now. Breakfast time. Woohoo! So this morning on the menu, ooh, lovely Kenko coffee and a nice big porridge. Can't beat it. I'm quite impressed by this water well system. I have actually chlorine tablets as well. Just leave it fill away itself. It's just really important to pre-hydrate before you have a big hike. So I'm getting a full litre of water into me. As you can see, I have the tablet in there as well. So I'm getting a full litre of water into me. And what I'll do is I'm going to carry a litre with me then. Just very important. It'll save you getting headaches. What I find, if you don't pre-hydrate and you leave dehydrated, no matter what water you drink during your hike, you'll still have a headache at the end of it. So very, very important to pre-hydrate before you head out. So all packed up, ready to rock. Leave no trace, not a thing left behind. I've about a 12-kilometer hike ahead of me. So let's get after it. halfway up. Jesus, hot. Oh, beautiful though. What a morning. This here is known as the Galtee Wall. So it's 3.5 kilometers long, and it was built in 1878 to separate, is it the Dawson Macy estate from the Galtee Castle estate. So yeah, 3.5 kilometers, still going strong. So that was one hell of an experience. Absolutely incredible. So just getting to the car park now. The day's really heated up. It's absolutely beautiful. It's nice to top off the day. So come here, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment if you want. But stay safe out there and stay safe on the mountains. Alright, bye.